Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, if you are here, thank you for watching the behind the scenes of how I built my brand, my adult coloring book brand, Coloring Kinfolk. If you do not know the backstory, I encourage you to watch this video where I talk about the inspiration for the brand and I talk a little bit more about myself and how I am an AI expert. So, anyway, right now I am going to show you how I use deep research and AI to make sure that adult coloring books was something that I wanted to do and that made sense to the market. And obviously, something that if I were to create it, I would actually make a profit from it. So, with that being said, what I did was pasted in this prompt. And what I am, well, I'll just read it. So, you are a market research expert. Provide in depth audience and competitive analysis for the adult coloring market, specifically digital coloring pages and printable books featuring cozy interiors, luxury rooms, women around the world. And then I'm going to put Black American culture. I say include top search keywords and SEO behavior, average spend and buying frequency, top competitors and their offers, audience pain points and motivations, emerging trends, recommendations for differentiating this niche. I I'm sure I got this prompt from somewhere, but I did add in some additional marketing insights like recommendations for differentiating the niche, and then also the psychographics, because how a person feels about a purchase, or how they feel about a thing or what emotions that they have impacts how they make a buying decision. So, with that being said, I am going to actually go to click deep research, and I am going to have ChatGPT utilize its deep research feature to research all of these and give me a full analysis. This is going to take some time, so I'm going to pause for a second. Actually, before I pause, let me answer these questions because this may happen for you. So it's asking, are you planning to sell these digital printable coloring products on a specific platform or on your own? Do you have a specific region in mind? Would you like SEO and keyword research to focus on English language markets or include other markets? And are there specific competitors you are already aware of that you would like me to include? So these are great questions. I am just going to answer all three because I am selling on Etsy, on Amazon, and on my own platform. I am going to say for question two, US markets. I'm actually going to say North American markets for now, since I focus on specifically on Black American culture. I'm going to say English markets again, since I'm focused very on a very specific culture within America. I can answer these questions very straightforward. And the fourth question is, are there any specific competitors that I know of? I don't. That's why I'm asking you to do it. So now I am going to do this. I'm going to pause now, and then we'll go from there.